Hello there, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a flip through of these two journals. I'm calling them DIY journals or unembellished journals that I want to put in my shop. I thought I would try something new and make a couple journals that I didn't put any pockets, tucks, ephemera in, and price them accordingly. So it won't take very long. There's some digital pages that have pretties on them, but a lot of them are blank, and I tried to make them so that you could like make the covers your own even too. Like this picture comes out, so you could put another picture in there. This is just pinned on and it can come off. So first we'll look at this one, and this is a regular sized journal. What is it? 8.5 by about 5.5. It should have at least 30 pages, which when you do both sides is 60 pages in it. And it's got a lace cover with a vintage applique, and that's got sequins and pearls on the applique, and then a pretty flower with the rhinestone in the middle. And as I said, this frame, you can take the picture out. So you could put the picture, a different picture in there, or you can leave that picture in there if you want to. So, and the lace covering this is vintage on the front, and this is actually vintage fabric on the back. So there's not a lot to see in it because I didn't put anything in it. I just made the pages. I tea stained all of the pages, even the ones that are printed, and I got a really good tea stain on them. So they came out almost looking coffee stain, but that is tea stain. And there's a lot of cool wrinkles on them too that the staining did. So they crackle really good. And this is a lot of pink and blue flowers in here. There was a digital that I found that I really liked. They called it Rocco. Anyways, I thought it was real pretty, so I used a lot of those pages. So you can take this journal and make it your own. Put pockets in it, put ephemera in it. I added a doily. This is the center. There's nothing on the strings, so you can put something on the strings if you want. And then the rest of the pages just are doubled again. They're just like the other side. That's a real pretty page. So there's a lot of blank pages that you can fill up with stuff or not, you know, it just depends on what you want to do. And then this is cardstock over fabric, and this is a kind of a textured pink cardstock. So there's that one. And then this one I made a tall, skinny one. And this lace covering it is really, really pretty. And I left this on the bottom. You could cut this off if you wanted to, but I kind of liked it, so I just left it, so it's up to you. And like I said, this applique is can be unpinned. It's got a hat pin in it, and it's got a little stopper so that you don't get poked by the pin. And this is a piece of vintage jewelry that I glued to the applique, but that can all come off if you want to make it into something else, or you could just add a picture on the top if you want to put something on the front or a word. But this is make a great starter for a tall, slim journal. And this is coffee stained too. It's got some really good aging on the papers. A little bit of vintage music paper. Kind of got a pink theme. A little bit of a pink theme going on. Victorian. This is some Victorian wallpaper that I colored different colors, but it's actually Victorian wallpaper. This is from a French ledger. So lots of good pages to deal with here. This is a vintage piece of, oh, it's like a cotton, what do they call that? Document paper, and then I've embossed it a little bit. And then there's the middle and the rest of the pages like before. Just the other side of the paper And I think that there's probably, I usually always just put 15 pages in, so that makes 30 pages doubled and 60 pages if you do both sides. So there is my little flip through, and these will be in my Etsy shop when you see this video. And I hope you're having a great crafting day, and I hope you like this idea. And if you do, I'll make some more. But you guys stay care, and thank you so much for stopping by.